Hey there, today we're going to look at how to fix the Treadmill E7 error code. So let's get started. First, turn the treadmill power switch on and check that the lights turn on and the upper control board responds. After that, wait for about 6 to 10 seconds. You'll see E7 appear on the display. Then notice that the treadmill doesn't return to its original 0-degree incline position. Over here, press the Start button to begin a workout session. After that, use the Incline Plus or Incline buttons to adjust the treadmill's incline level. Then, after about 6 to 10 seconds, you'll see E6 displayed on the screen. Next, check the incline signal by looking at the LEDs on the circuit board. The up LED should light up for incline and the down LED for decline. Over here, inspect the wiring connections between the upper console and the lower treadmill components. Then, make sure the power cord connecting to the incline motor is properly attached. After that, check the incline motor power cord and its terminal connections carefully. If the incline board's track is broken, you'll need to replace the entire incline board. Next, if the incline motor is damaged, replace it with a new one. After that, inspect the J3 connector on the incline board for any loose or faulty connections. Then check the J2 connector on the incline board to ensure it's properly seated. Over here, if the treadmill stops at the highest or lowest incline position, that's another sign of an issue. Now use a multimeter to test the VR voltage regulator or variable resistor to diagnose any control issues. Finally, to return the treadmill to its original position, press the stop button and then use the incline buttons in engine mode. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.